Sneezing isn't just about an itchy nose. It's actually a sophisticated defense mechanism your body uses to protect itself. When dust, pollen, bacteria, or viruses enter your nose, sensors in the nasal lining detect them. That signal goes straight to a part of the brain called the medulla, which triggers your chest, lungs, and throat muscles to suddenly contract and release a powerful burst of air. That's the sneeze, and it can launch particles at speeds over 100 miles per hour. Even closing your eyes while sneezing is a built-in reflex to protect them. And get this, some people sneeze when they look at bright light. That's called a photic sneeze reflex, and it's likely genetic. So while sneezing might seem annoying, it's actually your body's smart way of kicking out invaders and keeping you safe.